All right, so you got a PT Cruiser where your turn signal flasher relay needs to be replaced. Where is it? I'll show you right now. I'm sure all PT Cruisers are probably this way. Apologize for the sun glare, but you take the top cover off the column guard plastic shield. Take the top one off, 2 screws from the bottom, and you'll see it right there. Pop it right out. The PT Cruiser, it's a multi-function. It operates turn signals and the hazards and maybe even other things, I don't know, but it takes kind of a special 5-pin, and there's several 5-pin relays available. Not sure if they all work, so try to get one that's specific to probably the PT Cruiser or the Dodge Neon. And another helpful hint, if you're trying to find things out on your PT Cruiser and you can't find it anywhere, look up Dodge Neon because they share a lot of the same components and engineering. Anyway, I hope that helps you out. Also, just if you're doing an LED light conversion for your turn signals, brake lights, whatever, you don't need to buy the resistors. You can get an LED rated flasher, pop it in there, and you don't have to fool around with those really dumb resistors. Anyway, God bless.